Oh yes, guys, I collect my O2 sensors. Just picked up my O2 sensors and I'm ready to go install them. It's gonna be a task because I need a lift. I need a lift to lift the car up, then go on it and stuff. But so this is one. This is the other one. Okay, both look the same, right? Comes with the plug, all of that. So yeah, time to change out those O2 sensors. Get some good gas mileage and proper trackling and nice, you know. All right, guys. Well, it's work day today. I have a few things to do. Actually, guys, you know, at first I said that these are similar. I mean, they look alike. Yes, they look alike, but they actually differentiate what is upstream and what is downstream. They both have this code, and both of them tells you the upstream and the downstream difference. So yeah. So I have the car dropped up already and started to ease away the carpet from the area. You know, the two plugged in is just right on the passenger side right here, the upstream and the downstream connection. You'll notice, guys, that my catalyst has been removed. I removed it as soon as I bought the car because it was all blacked up and stuff. To remove your O2 sensors, guys, you need an open spanner, a 22 open spanner. Now I didn't have one, so I end up cutting a closed 22 that I had. You do have the O2 sensor tool, however I didn't have one, so I have to improvise. Damn, this is bad. Alright guys, so that downstream O2 sensor is a pain in the ass. It's not budging at all. So what I decided to do here is just to put in the upstream one and then go start the car and basically try to let this exhaust pipe eat up some more. Once it eat up, I'll try again to see if I can get it full. That run the fuck up. After running the engine for a little while, I decided to spray some WD-40 onto it and give it another try. However, it's not budging. So I changed this one. I changed the upstream. However, I just can't seem to pull the downstream. So I'll just leave it. If I do get a chance to go on a stand where I can raise the car, I'll try it again to see if I can pull it, but right now I can't budge. Can't budge at all. So I'm just gonna leave it. I change upstream, so hopefully when I scan back again, I'll pick up something different. Alright, so I decided to run to a little muffler shop down the road. Well, not down the road, close by me. I'm gonna see if I can go up on their RAM and let this thing sound out. Alright, so new downstream, new upstream, all in and nice. Okay, so what had to be done to that O2 sensor? The welder he had to put the blowtorch on it and get it really hot like fire. I didn't get the video all of that, but I didn't go under the pit with him. But he had to get it really hot with the blowtorch till you see it look red, and then he just turn and whop, it just pull just like that. I was happy. I told you I had a couple things to do today. Well, I am at the tire shop right now getting 2 new shoes for the Celica. Right. My next stop will be a special little link up with a Toyota Vitz 2ZZ. Did you hear what I said? A 2ZZ. Okay, so I'm heading to see my friend with that Toyota Vitz 2ZZ conversion. I don't think I'll be putting it in today's video, so guys, you just have to join me on my next video where we'll check out that Toyota Vitz 2ZZ. Thank you again for being with me and tuning into my channel. Much respect.